This week, we're also speaking with Adam Rocke,
Senior Director for Events and Programs for the U.S. Chamber of Commerce Foundation's Hiring Our Heroes program. Adam, thanks for joining us on Hiring America.
Pleasure to be here.
What are some questions and concerns you're hearing from the military and veteran community?
As they get ready to transition, the one thing that is probably most important to them is finding meaningful employment. And that's why Hiring Our Heroes exists, right? So unprecedented times call for different measures. So we have traditionally done in-person transition summits. We call them career fairs on our military installations across the globe. But we've gone to a virtual platform now. We call it our virtual career community, where we're providing education, training content for those transitioning service members and veterans out there. We have a weekly schedule. We run about 12 of those sessions per week. We're really proud of it, of the work we've done. We coach them, we teach them resume writing, interview processing, how to seek a job virtually. And then we bring some of our industry partners on there to talk about their hiring issues. The other program that is really important, though, is we call the Corporate Fellowship Program. It gives our transitioning service members an unprecedented advantage, right? So now they can continue to do an internship or fellowship with the company. The company gets to test drive them, if you will. And at the end of it, the company has a decision whether they want to hire them or not. And so far, we're in May, we've had over 400 fellows placed. We've had 80 to 90% of those 400 given job offers, and with a mean average of just under $100,000. And that's pretty important. And we're continuing to do that. We run these cohorts throughout the year, and this is just a great way. So if you're a service member out there that is interested in this, you should go to our website as indicated. You should sign up. If you're an employer looking for veteran or military spouse talent, you should do the same. Go sign up. The second part of that, though, is we have a program for our military spouses. It's truncated, it's 6 weeks long, but the military spouse has a fellowship program just as well that we run.
Adam, can you tell us more about the Department of Defense Skill Bridge program and why it's so important?
Yeah, that is an important program. It's extremely important because it allows the service member who's transitioning to attend an apprenticeship program, an internship or fellowship, on-the-job training or job shadowing within the last 6 months of their service. It's an enabler to them, right? It gives them a competitive advantage, as I indicated, because it's about upskilling them in some high-demand skill, like Microsoft Software Systems Academy, or Troops into Transportation, where somebody can get a CDL, or Airstreams Renewable, or the energy sector. There are various sectors. There's actually hundreds of them out there. Our corporate fellowship program is one of those. But this enables them to get an added skill and a high potential of employment.
Adam, is the program still operating at this time for transitioning service members?
Yeah, absolutely, and it is growing. A lot of companies value the transitioning service member talent, their skills, and they recognize that this is good for their business. So many of them have approached the Department of Defense and are trying to apply for this. You know, these are on-base or nearly off-base programs that help upskill those transitioning service members. So it's a win-win for both.
And how do transitioning service members go about applying for the program?
Yeah, I would recommend that transitioning service member approaches their installation transition service manager at the TAP location to apply for them, or they can go to our website, hiringourheroes.org, if you're interested in our corporate fellowship program.
Adam, it's always great seeing you. Thanks for your time and your insight here on Hiring America.
Thank you, Lauren.